We got...
So all we do is just, we probably won't wait here all day to get how long it takes to go in. You just put an inch of water in here.
It was like this, yeah.
So there's two things you can do with that. You can go to the inch measurement, or if you know the diameter, which we've got in our book for what we supply, is it's actually a volume. So it's actually a pretty good measure. It's a measured amount each time rather than just an eye inch sort of thing.
It's going in reasonably well.
Oh, good.
That rain yesterday.
Because it's already been wet,
Yes.
that's why.
Yes, definitely.
So part of our monitoring protocol is to do this a couple of times. So you do the first one and then come back and monitor the second time, and you get the average how long it takes for each of those infiltrations. So it's sort of wet it first in the first one, then see how long the second one takes.
This is just a demonstration to show you how, but it's
Pretty good.
no, it's not bad. It'd be great to have a Phalaris plant or a cockfoot plant here to put it over the top of.
We should have the phone in the picture so you can understand what we're doing.
So, you can wait. We did one and we gave up after half an hour. And said,
Oh
"Let's
no,
go."
when we did it at my place we gave up.